Operation Counters is underway. First step is to totally clean off everything. My kitchen is actually a mess right now. What's new? I clean it up all the time. I'm a messy person. It gets messed up all the time. I'm working on that. So I'm gonna let you clean with me and then watch this whole clearing out process. Here we go. Okay, it's the big day. Evan doesn't want to be photographed, so I'm photographing nothing because I look like a hot mess. But, babe, you already started in the sink, right?
I've started taking it apart.
Okay. There's like a ton of water damage under there. This is about to be an experience, but there's nothing under because everything is on the table. Hey, Samson. So, here we go.
So one problem we're gonna have is this power cord.
What power cord?
For that dish thing is sheetrocked into the wall.
Okay.
So I am possibly going to have to cut.
To get to it?
Yeah, because I can't hook the other one up. I just don't know.
Yeah, I guess so. I don't know.
I mean, and what I may do is cut into the sheetrock and then just take a piece of wood and then just put that back over so you actually have an access port to
get in there.
Mm-hmm.
That would be better than not having one ever.
Yeah.
Okay. Ugh. Because we're gonna cover it up.
Oh, never mind. I was just more concerned with the sheetrock.
Yeah.
I did booger up a little bit, but
that's okay. Easy peasy. Yay! I'm so happy. And look, you helped me with the wallpaper. Alright, y'all, so I just got a call from Evan, and he's like, I didn't burn the house down, did I? And I'm like, what do you mean? Because I was driving. I was not home yet, so I had no idea. And then he tells me that he left our pig out, and that, we call him Pootie, that Pootie was just like sitting by the fire when he left him, but our house is so cold right now because something's going on with our heat, great timing, that he felt bad to move him. So I'm like, I hope not. I come in, the house smells like burning something, and it's just that there are 2 logs, the heat is totally off. This guy has clearly done some exploring, but he hasn't heard anything yet. Then I came into the kitchen and I saw this, so I had to show you. Y'all, he has been so busy. Okay, these are my countertops. These are my countertops, and he said that he had to jerry-rig some things. I don't know what he means by that yet. He was really, really frustrated when he called me, so I am gonna do my investigation with you right here and now to try to figure out what he meant by I'm having to jerry-rig some things to make it fit. Kind of nervous. It looks like this corner right here is kind of interesting. This side looks right. He had to go get the, what do you call it? The charger for his drill. It's obviously a good cut shorter than the last countertop. But that's not problematic yet. Honestly, I'm not upset. Oh, there's no power in here. Is there? Or did you turn it back on?
Turn it back on. Yeah, it's back on. I guess it was just on really dead mode.
Battery. Okay, what's your boo-boo? I saw that.
Because I measured it on this side and then I realized that this is actually my second cut. My first cut was horrible because I tried to cut it this way and then once I got here, you can't move the jigsaw like that. So I had to flip it over and then remeasure. But this line was still here. So I don't know if this line's the true line or if it's lying. I'm thinking because the line being there tells your eyes that this is all excess right here.
Right.
I'm thinking about just cleaning it off, getting like
yeah, you
like
can use nail polish remover.
And then looking at it and seeing if the eye picks it up.
Yeah,
But
let's
I
clean
really
it
don't
up
want
and
to have
see.
to cut it again if I don't have to because it's as bad as I thought it would. Trying to cut it with that thing.
Right. Do we need a new jigsaw blade? Is that part?
No, it's just the problem is with regular table saws, you have a blade like that big, so you're only having to keep that much straight. But with that jigsaw blade, I mean, you literally you can change every centimeter of the way. It'll change direction.
That's horrible. So
It's just, I'm using the wrong tool for the job.
Huh.
But it's all we got, so.
Yeah, or at least the wrong tool for that part of the job. Because I know you had to use a jigsaw for the sink, but we didn't know that we were going to be doing that. Okay, can I see, or I guess you don't have to show me right now.
Well, I hurt my arm trying to do it. I really don't want to just do it to show you, but
Don't do it.
this piece right here is hitting before it's making it all the way over there. So this piece is supposed to rest. That piece is supposed to rest here. So I'm just gonna. I ran out of power with my battery, but I was gonna drill that up there.
Okay, I
so
get
that
it.
there was
I get
somewhere
it.
where it
Could rest there.
But I ran out of juice, so here we are.
Let's eat.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna sit down. No, I'm not, because the floor is wet. Since the last time we spoke, let's see. First of all, my camera, my phone, which is what I was using temporarily, is full. So I ran out of space. Yay, Apple. And then, well, I've been back to the hardware store like 4 times, maybe 3 times, for different stuff, things that we needed. Evan and I went together 2 of those times. Y'all, I'm out of it. Look at him. Look what he's doing. He's running away with that. And you know what? I don't care. So, man, I gotta even remember what all has happened. Okay, so he started working on the counters, and one issue that we knew we were going to run into was that we had to take 2 main pieces and put them together to make this long bit of the counter. This long bit of the counter right here, because the prefabricated ones, which is what we had to buy, they don't come long enough. Okay, so whatever. No problem. Simple. Easy. We'll do it. We don't care. So originally we were talking about like splitting it down at the end, but that was not a good idea. And so we decided to split it by the sink. He starts doing that. Everything is going great or whatever. And then it's like gapping. It's not meeting. All this kind of stuff is happening. By the time that he cut the second one, there was like a chip. He's doing a great job. Never done this before. Basically no help. I mean, I'm trying to be helpful, but what help am I? And then there was like a lot of bracing underneath going on because it wasn't quite level. And we were trying to figure out how to get it to be level and how to keep it from like going down. He finally got the sink back in. we are caulking, we're gluing. We went to go get dinner on one of our runs, just to Wendy's, nothing extravagant. And we get all the way through the drive-thru, and then the guy's like, oh yeah, you're gonna have to use cash today because our credit card machine is down. And I was like, oh yeah, that's fine, I got you. So he starts ordering, and then I realized I only have $7 cash. So that was great. And we basically wasted our time. I don't even know what time it is right now. If I had to guess, it's probably like 9:30, 10 or something. So he's been doing this for over 12 hours. What else happened? Okay, so then he got the sink in, and we thought, oh, okay, we're good. Everything's great. Let's turn on the water. I turn on the water, and I hear, oh, no, stop. I turn the water off, and I come in, and there's water everywhere. I mean, there was water up here on the cabinets, water all over that light, water all over this cabinet, all over the wall. The whole faucet basically blew up, which we're getting a new one, but we need it today. That basically blew up. There's water, there's still water. I thought I got it all over the floor over there, all over the floor over here, all under the sink. Like, wow. But y'all, I have new counters. That's worth something. I don't even care how my little headdress thing looks right now. New counters. I'm about to clean everything up, put everything back, make something to eat, and take a shower. Thank you for watching. Have a great night or day or whatever.